Unit 3, Part A, Activity 1B. Vocabulary. Listen, check, and repeat. Bed. Bookshelf. Chair. Closet. Cupboard. Desk. Drawers. Mirror. Refrigerator. Sofa. Unit 3, Part A, Activity 2A. Listening. Tim visits Casal's house. Listen and fill in the gaps. Write the answers in your notebook.
Hi, Tim. Welcome to my house.
Hey, Casal.
Let me show you around. This is the kitchen. There are 2 cupboards.
They're big.
Oh, and there is a refrigerator.
Of course, and it's full of food.
Now, this is a living room. There is a sofa for us to sit and watch TV. There is a fan, and there is 1 table, and there are 4 chairs.
Nice. Is that your bedroom?
Yes, it is. There is a bed, a desk, and a chair.
Wow, you have 5 football posters.
Yes, I do. I look like the player, right?
Is there a mirror in the bathroom?
Yes, there is.
Go and have a look.